Just one of those days when I wanna be all alone. Just one of those days. I got a phone call from the shop on where Mindy's car is at. They told me that it was a lot more damage done than I expected. And it's gonna cost a lot more than I expected it to be also. Today we're gonna go down, check out the vehicle, figure out exactly what went wrong so they can tell me, and how much the end result was, because it sounds like I'm gonna have to start selling booty to pay it off, because it wasn't cheap. Now, the good thing is that it's done. So that's the good news. It's done, finished, pick it up, drivable. The bad thing about it though is that I gotta figure out what the price of my booty is, because I don't wanna do it. But I love this car shit. So tap in, like, subscribe, and let's see how today goes. Yo!
Man, these cars are crazy. Did you see that?
All right, outside, waiting to get picked up by my boy Fabian. He has a surprise for me. He said he's getting ready to pull up in his brand new 2024 Rolls-Royce truck. He wouldn't show me any pictures, he wouldn't let me know about it, but I ain't never been in one before. So he said it was between that, I guess the new Teslas or whatever, the Tesla truck, but he decided to pick the Rolls-Royce. So I don't know, I'm excited to see this thing when he pulls up, man. It should be nice, but yeah, we on our way. Woo, whoa, look at this. Hey, I thought you said you was gonna bring the Rolls-Royce truck today.
Just the Audi, you know how it is.
Hey, this nigga's way too smooth, man. Always, always. All right, y'all. Let's get on the road. Let's go pick up Mindy's car, see what it is. What up?
What's going on? How you doing?
Chilling, chilling. Oh.
It's running good.
Yeah?
It's running good. It's running great. We'll be happy.
Let's see what the damage is. I'm scared of this man right here.
Back to Kevin,
I
please.
feel like I'm in the principal's office. Can you please explain to me one more time what I did or what happened?
You didn't do nothing wrong, just a converter went bad, got the trans on, and walked the bushing and seal right out of the trans. Right out of the front pump.
So, wait, the trans locked up?
No, not lock up. It was still spinning, it just got hotter than heck because the torque converter went bad. When the torque converter went bad, it got hot and it took the bushing that's in the front and it literally walked in the seal and it walked everything right out and dumped all the fluid out. So it cooked the converter and it cooked the front pump on the trans.
So because of that, the converter had to be replaced?
Right, I had to get a different torque converter rebuilt. I had to change the whole entire pump assembly. All new clutches all the way through. The band actually was burning on it, new. All the bushings, the gaskets, the seals, the oil, everything's all brand new. That was bad, and then it just all rusted.
Got you. Okay. All right. Appreciate you.
You're welcome.
We got some work to do to you. Man. Fingers crossed. Yeah. Damn. All right. Your boy's happy. Oh, I know. Looking rough. Like, ew. All right, let's drive this thing around and let's see how it shifts. Let's get it going. I'm excited. We got a lot more to do though, so. All right, you guys, we're driving. And yeah, everything seems very smooth. I mean, I've been on the road for nothing but 4 minutes, so I haven't seen any problems yet. It's still kind of early. Let me see something. This thing is very smooth. Yeah, I like it. Oh yeah. All right. Not expecting any bad things to happen because I don't want that. But like I said, man, hopefully, fingers crossed, everything goes good from here to home and after that. We still got a lot of work to do on this car. All right, peace. All right. Did some driving around for a while. Got to play musical cars to get Mindy's GS back in my garage so I can start to do some other work on it over the course of the weekend before I drop it back off to her, because she doesn't even know I have it, because there's some other things that need to get touched up on. But cars back in the garage, as you can see. and everything is all good except for one thing. Is it another problem? Yeah. Problem is, you guys watched this whole episode and you guys didn't like or subscribe to it. I'm watching you. So, let's fix it. Hit the like and subscribe button. Please support me. I appreciate you guys watching everything that I'm doing, and it's fun because when I read the comments, you guys have a lot of information. Some of you guys joke around and things like that, but I read it all. And like I said, most definitely I do appreciate it. Holla at your boy. Till next episode. Like, subscribe, hit the bell so you're notified every time I drop some new content, all right? Holla.